Today, we will be discussing email marketing and how you can use it in your business. So, what is email marketing? Basically, email marketing is utilizing email to promote your business. It is used to cultivate relationships with potential customers, keep current customers informed and updated on your brand, offer coupons to encourage customer loyalty, and more. It is a direct form of marketing, but unlike snail mail, email marketing is much more efficient for your wallet and for the environment since it's totally paperless. Some people think email marketing is outdated and no longer effective, but they couldn't be more wrong. Email marketing has evolved considerably since the inception of the internet and is still an incredibly useful marketing tool. What is email marketing used for? Email marketing can be used to get your customers to know, like, and trust you. And over time that can turn them into repeat customers. It is also an effective way to keep your customers informed about new sales or promotions you are running. What is email marketing software? There are lots of software and automation tools that make email marketing relatively simple. For example, Aweber, MailChimp and Constant Contact can be used to send out emails and monitor how your subscribers interact with your emails. You can also use some email marketing software to track analytics like click-through rates, open rates, bounce rates, and conversions. So now that we've answered your question about what email marketing is, you might be asking, so does my business need email marketing? The answer is yes. All businesses can benefit from email marketing, especially small businesses. Email marketing tends to be inexpensive and easy to track, especially in comparison to other forms of traditional marketing. What is the benefit of email marketing over other methods of marketing? Approximately 94% of internet users use email. Therefore, email marketing allows you to reach a great deal of internet users even if they are not on social media. If you're not already utilizing email marketing, you should consider using it in order to reach a wider audience and strengthen your brand's relationship with current customers. Another benefit of email marketing is that it's easy to track your ROI. Everything is trackable with the use of email marketing software, so you can determine who is opening your emails, who is clicking onto your site through your emails, and more. Plus, the ROI is usually very high because you don't have to use paid ads with emails to get them to the correct audience like you do with most other forms of advertising. They are already targeted towards the ideal consumer because you are only sending emails to people who have given you permission via your email list. This makes email marketing one of the cheapest possible marketing tactics. An interesting fact is that more than 66% of all emails in the US are opened on mobile devices such as smartphones or tablets. If you've been considering using a text message or SMS campaign, email marketing might actually be a better choice for you. Email marketing works pretty much the same way as SMS marketing, but you can reach desktop users as well, and most smartphone users find emails to be less bothersome than text messages from companies. Another big difference between email marketing and other forms of marketing is, for the most part, people actually want to see your email promotions. Anyone on your email list provided you with their email address because they wanted more information on your offers, promotions, and brand. This is quite different from ads on search engines, social media, TV, magazines, and radio. Someone who may see your ad on Facebook or other social media platforms did not request to learn more about your brand, so they are more likely to ignore your message, or don't pay any attention to it. If a consumer directly provides you with their email address, it is because they specifically want to opt into your email marketing. They may have been tempted with a lead magnet such as a free ebook or some other promotion, but it is still a much more consent-based marketing strategy. This is part of what makes email marketing so unique and so successful. How does email marketing integrate with other forms of marketing? As we continue to further explain email marketing, we must also mention how it works best with other marketing efforts. As mentioned previously, email marketing works extremely well alongside social media marketing. You can cross-promote your company's social media profiles on emails with buttons requesting that your email subscribers follow you. You can also use your social media profiles to gather an email list to use in your email marketing campaigns. There are a few ways this can be accomplished, one of which is to run a giveaway on your social media accounts that requests people provide their email address in order to enter. Also, you can simply make posts asking your social media followers to subscribe to your email list and provide a link to a form they can sign up on. So basically, if they were interested enough to follow your brand on social media, they will want to learn more about your brand through email, as well. How do you start an email marketing campaign? The first step to starting an email marketing campaign is to gather an email list. Before a potential subscriber provides you with their email address, there are a few questions they are likely to consider. Will you spam them? What do they have to gain from giving you their email address? Will you send special discounts? You're going to want to make it clear to would-be subscribers that they will benefit from subscribing to your email list and you will not spam them or give anyone else their email address. There are numerous ways to build your email list, but a good place to start is to embed an email registration form on your website. This way you can leverage your existing website visitors and offer them content or discounts in exchange for their email address. What should be included as part of the email content? Once you have a solid email list, it's time to start planning your emails. There is a vast range of content you can include in your emails. There are also unique formatting options and different designs to choose from. Email marketing is much more customizable than other forms of advertising, so be creative. Some examples of content you can include on your emails are links to articles on your website, loyalty rewards for subscribers, and customer testimonials. You can also provide information about new promotions or sales, and announcements about new items or services. Emails can also be used to simply remind people who have expressed interest in your company that you exist. When they finally join your email list, don't forget to send them a thoughtful welcome message. Remember that they are not just warm leads but a potential paying customer as well. And if you do your job right, they will also turn into your brand proponents, for free. You just have to impress them, and this welcome message is the first chance you'll get. From writing the perfect subject line to choosing the most eye-catching layout, crafting your emails can be overwhelming. Don't worry. There is a software tool that is available and can assist with crafting the content for any of your email campaigns. The software tool I'm referring to is Funnel Scripts, and I will include a link in the description. You can also check out one of my earlier videos to find a tutorial on how to use the software. Just be careful not to make all your emails about selling products. Your emails should also include high-value content your subscribers may be interested in reading. Some examples of content that can add value to your emails are answers to popular FAQs, snippets from blog posts on your website, and surveys or polls. What should be the email layout? As far as layout goes, congruency is key. Your emails should match the style of your website, ads, and social media accounts for consistent branding. Also, since about half of all emails are opened on mobile devices, you're going to want to make sure your emails are mobile-friendly. What is email optimization? Another useful tip to keep in mind is that there are optimal times you should be sending your emails out. Subscribers are more likely to open an email if they aren't busy when they receive it. Otherwise, they may open it later, or they may also forget about it and let it sit in their inbox indefinitely. A good rule of thumb is to send emails during hours when people in your target audience are likely to be free. Early mornings before people go to work, popular lunch break times, and evenings, when people get off of work, are typically the most successful times to send out emails. If you have any questions or comments about email marketing, please let us know in the comments section below the description in this video. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you liked the content of this video, please like, subscribe, share, and click the notification bell for future videos. I'll see you in the next video.